how to make a clothing brand website on Shopify. Full Shopify design tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a nice looking, sleek, of course, clothing brand on Shopify in actually pretty easy steps. But of course, for this, all you need is technically one thing before we actually start the video, which is a Shopify account. If you don't have one, like, you can start your free trial here, or if you have one like me, you can just log into your account with a simple click of a button. Of course, it might say, this is the other account. I will get into my actual account and be right back with you guys. And of course, guys, after you actually get into your account, this will be the admin screen you will actually see. Like, this is the main screen we are using, and we're going to use this for everything from now on, because everything we need and everything we will need, like ever, for any Shopify feature will be located here. So what we want to do here, of course, we are here to build a clothing brand, but first of all, we have to go, and on the left side of the screen, as you can see, like right here, around here, there is the sales channels. If I go on to the sales channels and click on the online store, it will open up 5 other types of course, pages. There are themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Of course, clicking on themes is, right now at least, is more than enough for me, because like blog posts, I don't have any, pages, I didn't create any, navigation, I don't need it, and preferences, I will do that later. The only thing I need right now is the theme, Dawn. That is our current theme. And if you want any other theme, you can just like go on to the add button here, and you can visit the theme store, or you can connect it to GitHub. You can upload a zip file. You can do actually whatever you want. Like, let's say we went to the theme store, right? It will go to themes.shopify.com, and you will be able to just click on explore themes and go on to look for the stuff you want. If I go down, for example, in the industry tab and select clothing, I will be able to see only the ones that are associated with clothing brands. There are, of course, paid ones like Fashionopolism, Bullets, Reformation. These are all like $300, $200. But also, in between them, there are ones like Origin. There are ones like Dawn. There are ones like Trade. They all look, I mean, honestly, pretty good. Or we have stuff like Spotlight and everything. But of course, all you have to do is just pick the one you like and roll with it. I mean, I can honestly just keep it Dawn. I like Dawn. I'm just going to go on and say Customize. And it will open up the default page. From here, as you can see, this is the default page, like a home page. And from the tab up there, like this, I will be able to go to the different tabs. I can go into the products. I can go into collections if I have them. I can go to collection list, which will be useful for people later. I can go into the gift card section. This will, of course, give people gift card. I can change that as I want, of course. Then I can go to cards. And of course, it's all in the face of changing different stuff. So if I go to the template and look at the image banner here, I can upload like multiple images. As you can see, there's like under the image banner, there's a browse our latest product parts, which is here, which lets me change the whole thing. Would you like to see our latest products? I can change it like this. Like, it's not a better writing. I could have written it much better, but it's still possible. That's the point. And of course, if you go to the image banner, you can select another image. From your PC, you can upload it yourself, or you can just explore the free images on the shop, like in women's fashion let's say, and maybe take one from here. I kind of like this. Let's select this one. And of course, there will be a second image we can use if we explore the free images again. And maybe let's take this one. So now we have actually 2 images, and I will be able to, of course, change them as I wish. I can move them, like change their positions and everything. And if I go here, I can like add like blocks. As you can see, I can add text blocks and everything. And if I click on the shop, this is the, of course, the button label, and shop all. I can just make it shop. I just want to make it shop, not shop all, shop. Simpler, better. And that, as you can see, that link, like that shop button, takes us to the place called all products. It's not here, but it's one of the pages. It takes us to the, of course, place where it takes us to all other products. And then there are the featured products, of course, which is a whole another page. And of course, that's why we are using it. And from here, it's all up to you. Like header, my header is here. What do I do it? What do I use it for? My store, home, catalog, contact. How could I change them? Not from here, because it's not like these guys where I add them physically. They are just like part of the header. And for that, I would have to like specifically delete them and just actually just remove all of them and add them one by one. Of course, I can change the discount menu type and everything, but I want to go back to the home page because it looks much better right now. And of course, on the left side, of course, you would say add section, for example, and you would be able to add different featured products, different collections, different texts, different images with texts and everything, image banners, collages, multi-columns, multi-rows. Multi-rows are better for most products. It looks the best in this template, at least. I could tell you this one, guys. Or you can just add a page in general. So let's say you add a multi-row, right? For that to work, you can change this part. Wow. And of course, then you would have to change the image of that item to something like this. And of course, this works for everything. And of course, as you do them, you will be able to change them however you want. And when you are done with it, you will just simply say save. And when you actually save it, you will be able to go back and either publish it or exit it. And that will be your shop's main theme. As you can see, it's immediately even changed here. So it all works good. That's generally how that works, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.